How to create a free online store using Google Sites. So 1 year ago I made this video, and this video has 37,000 views and so many comments. So that means a lot of people like this video, and in today's video I'm going to remake this video again, telling you what the update is, what you need to do, what has changed, and what you need to do in order to advance everything. So my name is Kingsley and welcome to my channel. Like I said, we're going to be making a free online store Google site, free online store e-commerce website using Google Sites. And you need to follow me because everything I'm going to be doing from today's video is from scratch. Okay, everything I'm going to be doing on this video is from scratch. I'm not going to skip any step, therefore you need to watch till the end so that you won't miss anything. So this was how the other one I created looked like. As you can see, it's very basic, there's nothing much going on here. So I'm going to show you what has changed, how you can make this thing look even more better, and more ways to add more stuff. Okay, so if you're interested, then come with me and let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to go to sites.google.com. Now if it's the first time, you probably won't have all these sites I have. Okay, so I have a lot of sites here on Google Sites, so that's why I've seen all these things. So go to site.google.com, you'll be brought straight to a page like this. All we need to do now is to start creating our website. Like I said, I'm going to show you all the steps you need to do, so make sure you watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video we're going to be making a very lovely e-commerce website using this platform Google Sites. And I'm also going to show you payment gateways that you can include to make your work, or to make your site even look more pretty, easier and finer, and do the work you want it to do. Okay, so since we are here right now, we need to select a template. Okay, so you either go for a new template made here already, or start with a blank canvas. Now whichever one you want to do, it's okay, it's totally fine. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to start with a blank canvas. Okay, so you can literally work with anyone they have there and edit, but let's start with a blank canvas. So right now this is going to open up, and once it's opened up, then we can start editing. So yeah, this is the editing part or editing section of Google Sites. It's very simple and easy to follow. So since you're here right now, what you need to do is to change the title. Okay, so I can call this real store. So once I have this stuff, real store, so the next thing I like to do is to change the font. Okay, I like to change the font to impact. Okay, and it's on board already. So once I have this stuff, we then need to work on the site's name. So I can call this real store. And if you have a logo, you can add a logo, but I don't have a logo, so I'll just leave it at that. Okay, so the next thing we want to do now is to give this we should choose our header type. Okay, so there are various types. Okay, you can make the banner header, we can make the large banner header, we can make the cover, we can make the title only, depending on what you want. Okay, so for this case I'll just go with this. You can go with large banner header or banner. Okay, so I think banner is okay. Then the next thing we need to do now is to select image, or upload a select image. Okay, so you can upload any image if you want, if you have one, but for the case of this video I'm going to be selecting. So right now you can select based on anything you want. So for my sake, I'm going to search for blue, so like a color background, so that it's going to pop out everything we are going to be doing. So in my case, I'm going to be using this color blue. Yeah, I think I like this color. So once I'm done, just click on select, and it's actually going to try to fit it in. As you can see right here, it's in and it looks great. Okay, so once we have this sorted out, remember you can choose to upload a picture here. Okay, so once I have this sorted out, then the next thing is to work on the content, or the title or the body of my website. Okay, so right now we need to add, I like to call it a hook. Okay, so what that hook does, it's like a first time information that your customers are going to see, which is going to make them want to shop on your shop, on your store. Okay, so I like to indicate something really catchy or something really cool. Yeah, so I can say something like 25% off. You can say 75% off on all products, or you can say something like the best store available. So you can decide to give this stuff anything that it's okay and that it might catch your audience attention. Okay, so remember to do that. So once I have this set up, I just like to make it bold, so just highlight everything and make it bold. Okay, so you can also change the font size, but I think 11 is a perfect number, so you can change the font size to whichever font size we want. So I'll just go with 11. Then you can change the text, but I think area is okay, and then you can leave it as normal text. If you make it title or header, all these things, it might change. So as you can see, subheader, it has changed and it's okay like this, so just leave it. So the next thing we need to do is to design the color, right? So you can click here and make this browner, or change the color from this upload section if you want, but I like it like this. Okay, so right now our site is really matching up. Then we need to add some more sections. Okay, so the next thing we need to do right now is to add our products itself. Okay, so you can decide to add some wordings or some hooks or some important stuff like we deliver your delivery fee and all those things. You can decide to add all those things right here, but me, I like to go straight to the point. I will just go ahead to add products. So for this case, I'm going to be adding 3 products. You can add the 4 products column, or the 2, or the single products column, depending on what you want. Okay, so okay, let me delete this first and go with like 1 product column. Go with like 1 product column. Okay, so after the 1 product column, then I'll go with the 4 product column. Okay, so the aim of this first product column is to have like a text, and then we have this, instead of 4, I'll go with this 3 product column. I'll go with 3. Okay, let me delete all these ones. Yeah, I'll go with 3 instead of 4. It's okay like this. So right now, these are the columns. I've built the columns. So the next thing we're gonna do is to fill in the columns with our content and everything. So bear that in mind. So once I've done this, I think I'll leave it for now. The next thing I like to do is to add stuff. So just go back to this section, go back to settings, then search for buttons. Okay, or you can search for something else, social media. For example, you can add different social media icons right here. Okay, so for my case, if you click on social media icon, you can add your social media icon. Now somebody might ask me, why do you want to add your social media icon? Of course, this is your online store, so you can you want to add your social media icon here, so that your customers can easily reach out to you. So remember to do that. Okay, so you can upload their logo as well. You can select logo or upload. So for my case, I'll just click on select. I'll say select. I'll just search for, see, I'll just go to Google Images and say WhatsApp logo, and it's going to pop out WhatsApp logo. So I'll just select this and insert. So this is how you do it. Okay, so whichever link you want to add here, just do it the same way I do it. Just search for it. Okay, just search for it easily. Okay, let me change this is not what I wanted to use. Click on select and click on Google Images, click on Facebook, click on Facebook logo. It's going to bring out a lot of Facebook logos, so I'm going to work with this. I think this is perfect, so just click on it and then add the link here. So add your link here. I'm just adding the default link. Okay, so once you are done, you can even add more links if you want. So just click on insert. It's going to insert this stuff at this point, right? So once you have it here, you can decide to make it, yeah, so you can decide to extend this, and it to be in the middle. So you can decide to edit it. You can make it to square shape instead of circle. You can make it solid. You can make it, make the background colored. You can make the background black. You can make the background white or gray, depending on what you want. You can change it from small to medium or from medium to large. So depending on what you want, I think it's okay like this. So this will help your customers to easily contact you. And then you can design the footer. For the footer, I just like to add a copyright message. So just say copyright. You can add more things if you want. 2023 realstuff.com. So this is it. So I've added this copyright, and of course I like to make it in the middle and make the text bold as well. And I can change this from 9 to 10 or 11, but 10 is okay. And instead of small text, I can make it okay. Small text is okay. So this is how the footer is going to look like for me. So you can add more things if you want, depending on what you want. Okay, so now once we have this format drafted up, it's very simple. So what we need to do is to fill up these things that we've created with the actual products. Okay, so you need to fill this in up with the actual product. Now I'm going to fill it in and also show you how to connect a payment gateway, which is the very most important, because you need to collect payments for you to be able to stay in business. Okay, for you to sell your stuff. Okay, so now what we need to do is to upload the product. So for me, in my case, since I don't have any product, I'm gonna go to this website. It's called pixabay.com. so you can find free reality images, pictures, videos, depending on what you want. You can find free stuff right here. So for my case, I'll just say shoes. So it's gonna give me varieties of different shoes. Okay, so it's gonna give me varieties of different shoes, right? So since I like this one, I'll just click on it and download it for free. Okay, so just select here. Okay, I clicked the wrong thing right now. Just come here, click on download. Okay, instead of edit image, click on download. So it's actually going to download this image into our computer. So now if you want me to mark some do some verification stuff, so right now it's actually going to download. Okay, so it's actually going to download this image onto my computer. Okay, so once it's downloaded, then I can go ahead to start doing the other processes. Okay, so while I wait for it to download, we can do other processes. Okay, because we have a lot of things to do. So I'm going to click download now, and yeah, that's downloaded. So now what we need to do is to go back to Google Sites, and now we need to upload this product. Okay, so you can easily drag it to this point and it's actually going to upload, and you can easily adjust this thing as well. So that's how simple it is. Okay, yeah, so this is the shoe. So I can call this real Air Max. Please, this is just me saying writing. Okay, so you can call this, just give it the name of the shoe, and I believe you already know how to do it. So now we need to add description. Okay, description of the product right here. So you need to add description. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go ahead to add a few description. So yeah, this is the description, and you can go on and on writing things about this shoe right now. So I'm gonna stop here. I don't want to write too much. Okay, so once you've written all the thing you want to read, right, the next thing we need to add is a button, and I'm going to show you why we need the buttons. Okay, so please make sure you are staying with me and you're following. So right now, the name, I'll just say buy now. The name of the button should be buy now, and then the link. For now there's no link, so I'll just give you the hash. So just give you something that will make it insert first. You can come back for the link and the likes later. So right now you want to make sure you've done everything. You've added description and you have added this button. So the next thing which is good to add is the price. So for this, for instance, I can say this thing is I can say this thing is for $200. Okay, so I can say $200. Okay, and I'll make this bold because it needs to be bold, and I need to change this stuff to something good. So 18 is okay. I'll just drag it up. I just drag it out, insert it here, and make sure it's in the middle. It's aligned in the middle. Yup. So after description, you want to add the price, then you want to add the button. So now you need all these things. So as you can see, this thing is actually shaping well, and we are going to. So one thing I like to do while I'm creating this site is I like to check it on mobile, because you want to create a website that is mobile friendly. Now, considering the fact that almost 90%, or if not 80 to 90% of your visitors will be using a mobile phone, so you want to make sure your website is completely optimized for mobile viewers and also for PC users and the likes. Okay, so right now you need to preview this website. So if you click on this preview, then we are going to see what it looks like in normal time. So this is what this website looks like normally. Okay, and as you can see, they are looking great because it's fantastic. So once we have this right now, we need to go ahead to add this other product. Okay, so right now we need to go ahead to add this product. So what I'm going to do is I might upload the same product for all. Okay, let me just go back to this section and see if I can download some other different things. Okay, let me see if I can download some other different images so that we can be able to use them for this video. So once I have that, then we need to upload all the products. Okay, so let me go back here and get, yeah, so this is the products. So right now we need to upload more products. Okay, so I need to get these stuffs. Okay, so I need to get all these shoes right now to post. So what the next thing we need to do, let me just download I'm going to download this one with the tie. Yeah, so I'm going to click download now and download this product. Okay, so I'm going to select this section and click on download now. So it's actually going to download this, then go back to my store and upload. So after uploading, let's go back to the store and go back. Okay, so right now we select another one. Let me see which one is okay. So let me go for this black. This is black. Okay, so use this one and just click on free download, and now we select the second option. I like to select the second option depending on the quality you want to keep. The images are always high quality. Okay, so right now just click on this, and yeah, we have the second one. So the next one, we need to go for the next one right now. I hope you're following me. Okay, please make sure you're following me. If you already have your products, then you might need to skip this step. Just see how it's done and continue with what you have. Okay, so the next thing right now is to get this one. So I like this one, so I'll get it, and I'm going to do free download, and of course follow through the process. Okay, I'm going to select this one and download. So it's actually going to download again, then we need to upload it right here. So right now, as you can see, I've successfully had to link 4 products. Okay, all of them has been linked, so easy and soft. So right now we need to give it a name. So I can say this is men leather shoe. I can say top sneakers. Yeah, and this one I can say white rose. Yeah, so these are just demo stuff. So right now I need to give the price. So just say for this one, let's say this one is going for $110. Let's say this one is going for let's say this one is going for $150. For $150, and let's say this one is going for $200. Okay, so once we have this, you can decide to add description if you want, right? You can decide to add more descriptions here. So but I think I'm not adding any other description. The one I have is okay, and you can as well add like I told you. So once we have this prices and everything set up, so right now we need to preview again. I like to preview this site while I'm working at it so that I can see exactly how each one looks. So this is how it looks right now, real store and everything, so which looks perfect. Okay, for now. So right now we need to do quite a few things. So just get out of this place, and now we need to add a payment gateway. And payment gateway is literally very simple. It's literally very simple and literally very very important. If you want to collect payment, I mean, you need to have a form of payment collection for you to collect payment. So in this case, we're going to be using quite a few softwares, okay, so quite a few payment gateways and the likes. So depending on the region you want, or the region you are, or the region where your customers will be coming from, now depending on that to determine the kind of payment gateway you want to use. So if you're based in Africa and your payment and your visitors are going to be coming in Africa, then I'm going to recommend a few, one of which is Flutterwave, which is the one we're going to be using today, and another one is Paystack, which is also made in Africa, okay, which also help you to collect payments, okay, anywhere in Africa. And if you're in US, UK, or in some other countries, okay, abroad, so you can also use PayPal and you can use Stripe. Now if you don't have any of this, please make sure you get some of this, because if you actually want to do business online, you need them for you to actually work and for you to actually take payment effectively. You need PayPal, you need Stripe, you need some other ones which are not so popular, but hey, you need these two for you to be able to take payments easily if you're abroad. So if you're anywhere within Africa, then you can use Flutterwave, which works perfectly for you because you're going to be getting this money into your bank account straight up. Okay, so right now I just need to sign in, of course, since I already have an account with Flutterwave. If you don't have an account, it's simple, just create an account and register and verify everything. Okay, so once you have that, just log in. Okay, log in my Flutterwave, and yeah, so right now I'm going to log in this one, and now we need to add something. Okay, so that thing is very important, so make sure you're following me. So the first thing we need to do is to create a payment link for each and every product we have on our website. So that is just one of the downside. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you some of the downside and good things I found with Google Sites, which I know it might be helpful to you, so please stick around. Okay, so one of the downside of Google Sites is you really can't implement automatic payment gateway, so it has to be done manually and you need to keep checking these things, okay, because it's Google Sites, it doesn't allow you too many it has a lot of restrictions, but it's a fantastic platform and it works. So right now all you need to do is to create payment links. So make sure you create a Flutterwave account and verify it and everything, and now you need to go to payment links and create payment. Okay, if you are using Stripe, locate and create a payment link. It's the same process. I don't want to repeat this same thing on each and every payment gateway, but trust me, it is the same process in all your payment gateways, just that they call it different names, or they use different styles, but we are trying to achieve one thing, and if you follow this video, you're going to understand. Now if you still find anything confusing, I'm in the comments, so tell me, I'll be there to answer you. So right now we need to create a payment link. So simple, just click on new payment link and add your payment link. So in my case, I don't want to add any payment link at all, so I'm going to use the one I've previously created. But you can create a payment link, it doesn't have any limit. Create payment link and attach them to the product. Okay, so I'm going to be using this one I created. So right now all I need to do is to click on copy. Okay, so this is the one I used, copy. So I've created this one already in the past, so I don't want to create any other one. I'm going to use it like that. So if you want to create your, just click on new payment link and create and add whatever thing you want to add there. So right now I've copied that payment link. So what I need to do is to click on this buy now button and click on this pencil icon and remove this link here and add the link I copied. So add it here and update. So right now this button has been added, and we can do the same for this other product. So all you need to do is to look for a payment gateway that works for you: PayPal, Stripe, Paystack, Flutterwave, Square, whichever one works for you, and it allows you to create a payment link. So they might call it different name. For Paystack, I know they call it payments plan. For PayPal, you can create PayPal buttons, okay, for it. Okay, please make sure you're watching. Okay, so right now we need to add buttons, okay, to this one, just like we did for this one. So right now I'm going to add button. I'm going to say buy now, and I'm going to add the product link. Okay, so this product link should be the link to the payment link. Okay, so once you have created a payment link, add it here as the link, so that whenever your visitors click on it, they are going to automatically be taken to your website or to the place where you're going to be collecting payment. Okay, so right now this is Flutterwave, and it has done everything. So now let's click on insert, and what I like to do is let me just easily duplicate this so that I can use it for the three of them. But you want to create buttons, okay, so you can increase this thing, you can make it 10, 20, 30, 40, but please don't congest the home page. You can create a different shop page, and I'm going to show you how to create a page and add as many products as you want. Okay, it's literally very simple. So right now I'm going to add this right here. Okay, I'm going to add this like this. Okay, so I've added the buttons. So now, and the links are there already. So I've showed you how to go ahead with the link. So just click on the button and go to your payment provider, payment collection platform, whichever one you want to use. PayPal, like I told you, in PayPal they call it PayPal button. So go and create a PayPal button and add the link here. In Flutterwave they call it payment links. Go and create the payment links, add it here. Flutter and Paystack they call it payment plan. Create a payment plan, add it right here. Now while you're adding it, remember, add the one that correspond with the product you've uploaded. So if it's $150, add it under this one. If it is the other way around or the other way around, add it over this one. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looks and feels, and it's fantastic with our social media icon and everything here. Okay, so right now we need to preview this stuff right now. Okay, so just click on this preview section, and you're gonna see that it's looking nice, and we can test this thing out. So let's say this one that is going for $150, I like it. I can easily click on buy now, and it's actually going to redirect me to where I need to make payment. Okay, so it's actually going to take me to where I can make payment in order for me to have that product shipped to me. So this is it. I can input my name and number and everything and make payment, and the sneakers would be, and yeah, everything will be delivered to me. So this is it. This is how you add the payment gateway and everything, and how you link it to your Google site. So I believe it was helpful. Now let's talk about one of the downside of Google site. So with Google site there are limitations, okay, and one of the limitations is that you probably, as of when I'm making this video, you can't add your visitors or your customers add two products to cart and check out the two products at the same time. So those are one of the limitations, but I constantly look for ways to solve new problems. So once I found a way that you can do it with Google Sites, I will share it on this channel. I'll be the first to share it on this channel, so you really have nothing to be worried about. So I normally tell people Google Sites is just for learning, like it's just the basic stuff, not for only learning. You can actually start up with it, but if you want to get to the industry standard, which doesn't even require so much of you, if you want to have access to billions of plugins, billions of features without any restrictions, and these things are going to be done automatically without you having to do these things, then you need to look at WordPress, because WordPress has it all, okay? But Google site has limitations. So that's it about the two, WordPress and our wife, so, and our product. Okay, so this is it. So we have everything set up right now, and yeah, let me show you how you can add pages. So it's simple. Just go to this pages section and click on, as you can see, we have only one page, which is home. Just click on this pencil icon and you can add a new page and just give it a name. So you can say shop. So this shop page might contain all your products. Remember, you don't want to keep your home page scanty. You don't want to put your home page into too many don't have to upload so many products on your home page. Just upload something really simple and soft and nice, and you can upload as many products as you want on your shop page using the same process I showed you. And remember, you'll need to have another page. It's called about us page. So that page, very important, and add content to it, okay? And another important page is contact us page, okay? Because you want your visitors to always have the need to contact you when they want to contact you. Okay, so you can have this page, contact us page, and yeah, home, about us, shop, contact us, really important pages, and you can have as many more as you want. Okay, so yeah, that's how it goes, and I believe it was really very simple. So like I said, one of the downside of Google sites is you might not be able to check out with two products, and it has some limitations. And if you want to be able to have total control of your full site, then go to WordPress, because you can actually do that. Okay, so this is how it is, and I believe this is really simple and straightforward. Okay, so if you want me to make any other video for you, tell me in the comment section. And I believe this added a new, you learned one or two new things right here with this method, okay, with this my formula. Okay, so it's literally very simple. So follow the process, follow the steps, and you're going to have yourself an e-commerce website. Now, before I end this video, I'm also going to tell you that you can also make this thing look perfect by adding a custom domain name. What I mean by custom domain name is your own .com, the whatever domain. Okay, so if you have that, it's simple for your customers to reach you. Right now, you can easily publish this site, but they are going to be reaching you with this long URL: https://sites.google.com/view/ whatever you're going to impute here. Okay, but if you have a custom domain name already, you literally don't need all those long links. All you just need to do is to know your own name, and yeah, here you go. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Make sure to link a custom domain name to your Google site. Now, somebody might say, I don't know how to do it now. I've done a video. Okay, so you have nothing to worry about. This is the video. Let me locate the video for you. Stay tuned. So this is the video. Where is it? Okay, yeah, connected.com.net etc to Google site. So if you want to link a custom domain name to your Google site, watch this video. It's going to walk you through exactly how to do it simply. Okay, so yeah, that is how it goes, and that's how everything is. So if you find it helpful, subscribe to my channel, and I'm also going to be bringing new stuff that is going to help your Google site, help your website, help you also make money online. Okay, so if you're happy, if you're excited about those things, you need to make sure you're subscribed so that you will miss it once I drop them. So I'm see you guys on my next video. So all I want you to do is keep creating, stay strong, stay blessed, and enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much.